you could imagine, for example, flipping a coin. Classically, just flip a regular coin, you get heads or tails. And of course, you get one or the other, and then you forget about the other possibility because it's not relevant to you. But if you wanted to, you could say, well, imagine the world is sort of split into two, and there's a version of me that sees heads and a version of me that sees tails. And they're never going to interact with each other. They don't really exist in the same space, but you could keep them both. And then maybe they flip the coin again, and now there's four versions of you, and so on. And you follow a certain path through this tree. The rest of the tree is there if you really want to think about it as a set of possibilities. One interpretation of quantum mechanics is that those possibilities could interact with the one you're in. And they don't generally, or at least the effect they have is so small that we don't notice it. Does that mean that the particle exists on both paths in two places at the same time? Depends on what you mean by the word exist. And I don't want to argue semantics, but there's a mathematical structure which just isn't, it's not or, it's not and, it's not neither. It's not both, right? It's something else.